Hello there, welcome back to another daily upload. I am extremely consistent these days,
No, I'm pretty sure it's been over 1 month.
What the... Hello there, and welcome back to another video. It has been a while. I have been preparing for my exams, and I still am. It's a pretty serious exam. I asked the Discord server, and most of you guys seem to be okay with less edited videos. And I'm sorry for the lack of quality, it's just been pretty hard to keep up. Anyways, I created my own programming language. And does the world need another language? Well, I don't know. They might, but not a bad one like mine. The main reason I wanted to do this is because of the problem solving and fun aspect of it, along with being able to just have the features that I wished I had when working with some other language. You can just do whatever you want with your language, right? So that's a really cool thing. A little bit of philosophy for the language was to minimize the use of the shift key when writing code, because I find it really annoying just having to press the shift key for some things like parentheses, curly braces, and so on. I wrote an interpreter in Python that would basically convert the instructions in my language into NIM code, and that NIM code will be compiled into an executable. This is definitely not the best way to do this. I just wanted to make this project something personally enjoyable to work on, and I do not care about it being used for serious work. Eventually, I want to make a game using this language, obviously because I'm a game developer and I enjoy it a lot. For those who are interested, I'm gonna explain some of the basic syntax. So to print something, we write push, and then the text afterwards is what we want to print. Then we write end to indicate the end of the line. This is how we declare functions. We use the proc keyword followed by the function name and then def. We can specify function parameters using the args keyword, followed by the parameter and the data type. And then we use a dot to indicate the body of the function. There are three types of containers: variables, which are declared using the object keyword. These can be manipulated whenever. And then we have the let containers, which are declared using the per keyword, and these are constants, but they are evaluated in runtime and not compile time. And then we have constants, which are declared using the const keyword. They're basically the let containers, but are evaluated in compile time. You can also declare them statically. Then we also have if statements, elif statements, and else statements, as well as for loops and while loops. Although I decided to call while loop during a loop in my language, so yeah. Then we have the most cracked function in the entire language, and it is the op keyword. It's basically a super push, and it allows us to force the text right after the keyword to the output, and because of the way that this language works, you can do anything with it. Let's say there is something missing or there is a bug in my language. The people using the language don't have to wait till I fix it. They can just force the output and make their programs work anyway, so it's basically a really cool thing. This was a great and fun project, and I'm going to make more videos on it and go into more depth and program with my language. So please do let me know what you think and whether I should continue making videos like these. It was incredibly great to just sit down and make a video again, and I hope you enjoyed, at least a little bit. I was really inspired by Soen's Port language. I will link his channel in the description, If you're interested in videos on programming language development and etc., you should really check it out. It's great. With that being said, I'm gonna head out now. Thank you so much for the support, even when I didn't upload. We made it to 930 subscribers within a few weeks, and that's incredible, and we're closer to 1,000 subscribers more than ever, so please consider subscribing. Until next time.
A brick is $100,000. Yeah, they think I'm crazy or something. Hop into the bit like a baby or something, I put that cake in the oven, these bitches flex like Cradle or something, Where did you make all that money? They basically saying they paying for nothing. I'm basically saying they basically bluffing. They basically gon' act like they faithful or something, I got bands, I got fucking bandits.